Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Jeswel Cardenas. I was born on September 10, 1992. 31 years of age. Came from the Philippines. I have one daughter, a single mother. I work in Malaysia as a domestic helper since 2015 to 2017. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family, especially to my daughter for her future. If I'm chosen to be as your maid, I promise to be good, honest, patient, and do the rules and regulations. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you, Madam, Sir. If you still need my services, I am willing to extend another 2 years with you. Thank you, Sir, Madam. I hope you will choose me. Hope to see you in Hong Kong, Sir, Madam.